Today we'll talk about how can you enable push notifications on your Quizlet app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. You just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on your settings. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just come here to, you come here to push notifications here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here push notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.